Hey, how you guys doing? Mr. Rhines is math out in the woods, and this is a beautiful evening. I'm out here on one of my favorite stretches of river. I got to get rocking though and get through this lesson because check it out. I got a fire going. I'm gonna cook dinner out of here, but I still got to get back and hike through some deeper water to get back to the Jeep after I'm all done teaching you guys. So we're gonna get started. This is gonna be a quick one. We're just gonna review a little bit for our last math lesson today. All right, let me pause it and we'll get set up. All right, in a minute here, I'm gonna cook up a broth. I brought some asparagus, fry it up in some butter. I got a pot going with some hot chocolate and some water to drink, and then we'll take off. But first, let's review just a little bit with our integers. We've done this quite a bit, and actually you guys are gonna be ready for 7th grade when it comes to integers, because you've done a great job, both in my room and in Mrs. Willert's room this year, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing integers. In today's lesson, we're gonna take those ideas and we're going to apply them to story problems. Some simple story problems. I think we have 5 of them for you today to go through, think about. Let's see, am I adding that, subtracting that, multiplying it? What am I doing? All right, so when we think about it, if you have, I don't know, like a -3 plus a +2, we know that which one's farther from 0 with our absolute value method. 3 is farther from 0, 3 is negative, so we know our answer is going to be negative. If we had a -3 minus a 2, well, they're the same sign, so same signs equal a same sign answer. All right, if we had something like 3 plus 2, in this case there's no sign here, but it's assumed to be positive, so 2 positives, the answer is going to be positive. I'm just going to draw the positive even though we don't have to always show that positive. And let's see, what's our other possibility? A +3, a -2. Which one? This one's assumed to be positive. Which one's farther from 0? 3 is farther from 0, but it's positive, so my answer is going to be positive. So if I went back through these, a -3 plus a 2, we already know it's negative. They're 2 different signs, so I'm going to find the difference, which is subtraction. So this would be a 1. Okay? -3, -2, we know they're the same, so a -3, this is really plus, because there is subtraction's a lie when it's integers. -3 plus a -2, so that'll bring it even lower to a -5. +3 plus a 2, it's just 5. Did that like in 1st or 2nd grade. 3 minus 2, it's really a plus a -2. 3 is farther from 0, we said, so it's positive. Different signs, so we find the difference. 3 minus 2 is again 1, but this time it's a positive 1 as opposed to a -1. So that's the adding and subtracting. When it comes to multiplying, same type of thing, but I'm gonna look, and if we say 3 times a 2, this is negative, this one's positive. Different signs are going to be negative, so this would be a -6. So if it was a +3 times a -2, again, positive, negative, so that's going to equal different signs, a negative answer. If it's same signs, -3 times a -2, that's going to be a positive. 2 negatives make a positive. Same sign, so it'll be a +6. And then different same signs, 3 times 2. Well, we've been doing that since like 4th grade, probably 3rd, 4th grade. 3 times 2 is 6. Positive, positive, positive. Negative, negative, positive. Different signs, a positive and a negative, negative answer. 2 different signs, a negative and a positive, so a negative answer when it comes to multiplying or dividing, same thing. All right, so today we're gonna just apply that to story problems. So I don't know if we were out here and on a cold wintry day, which Mr. Rhines has actually been on this bank on a cold wintry day, and we think of a thermometer, and here's 0, right? And on a cold day, maybe I come out here in the afternoon and it's like -5, but I stay out here until the evening like this. It's a lot easier to hike back in the winter, by the way, because all that water that I have to wade through yet tonight, it's frozen and I can walk over it. But let's say the temperature, the sun sets like it's setting right now, and it gets 4 degrees colder. Well, 4 degrees colder is going to bring it down 4 degrees down to this -9, right? So it went down. It's -5 minus 4 degrees. Same signs, same sign there. And since they're same signs, I'm just going to add them. 5 plus 4 is a -9. That would be pretty darn cold. But that's kind of what we're going to do today. We're going to add, subtract, multiply, divide, and apply it to 5-story problems. You guys are going to be able to rock it out. Speaking of rocking it out, I'm ready for dinner. It's been a great year with you guys. It's been a different year with you guys. You'll never forget this year. The year 2019, 2020. A good 9 weeks. 9 weeks that you guys have been doing e-learning at home. So we appreciate your hard work in both Mrs. Willert's room and my room. So as we go into the summer, make sure you take a deep breath. Make sure you do that makeup work first so we're ready to go into the summer and can relax and hopefully come back this fall and be ready to go. So until then, like we like to say, peace out. We do love you guys, and we're going to see you along the way. We promise. All right, take care. Bye-bye.